to Linx Boss, a fully automated linking system. Our goal when we set this system up was to be 100% fully automated. When you get into the system, you're going to be able to set up your anchor text pointing to the specific URLs on your domain that you would like to receive incoming links from. And once you press the go button, you're done. The system will take care of everything, and it's simply set and forget. What you're going to get is 1,000 unique one-way anchor text backlinks each and every month. Now, before you get too excited, we split those 1,000 up between 5 domains. So that means you're going to get 200 per domain. All right? So there's no confusion. That's a maximum of 5 URLs per account. Now, we do allow for you to switch out one of those 5. So if you have extra, or more than 5, I should say, you're able to take one of those 5 and put another one in. But you can only draw down linking for 5 domains at one time. Okay? The system is designed, 200 is a very good number, a safe number to not draw attention from the search engines. And also, you really don't want to do 7 or 8, 10 domains at one time, because you're going to weaken, okay, the 1,000 you're getting. All right? You don't want to do too many, but you also don't want to do too few. 200 is a good, solid, strong number. And when you watch the best practice videos, we explain what our best customers and what we've done for our clients over the years, and how you can, just duplicate what we've done. All right? So that's 200 domains for 5 sites for a total of 1,000 unique backlinks each and every month. All right? Now, for each domain you set up, you have the ability to do unlimited anchors. Now, again, in the best practice video, we go through and explain, pointing for 250 different anchor text isn't a good idea. So we show you the right number. It's very, intuitive and easy to follow. It's not complicated, but you're allowed to put in as many anchor texts as you desire. All right? Again, we don't recommend it. And then what we do is we rotate the anchor text as you instruct. And when you watch the demo video on this site, you'll see what we mean by primary and secondary. All right? All the content is original content that we provide for you. And we've been doing this now for 4 years. And in that time, we've given over 10 million backlinks. And during that time, we've tracked the results for all of our linking. And everything that we've designed into this system is from every industry, every market you could imagine. All right, we do this for people all over the world: South Africa, Japan, Australia, England, obviously here in the United States. There are certain countries that we haven't had the ability to get ranking in, for example, the Netherlands. But if you were to sign up and we see it's one of those countries, we'll immediately refund. We're not looking to take anyone's money if we can't get them ranking. And for whatever reason, we struggle in some of those types of countries, and we take care of that within the first 48 hours of sign up. Okay? But we've done this all over the world. Now, our sites have high value and trust with the search engines. What we decided to do was to go out and use the traditional approach. We get sites that have PR from 1 to 6. We buy websites that are between 2 and 11 years old, all right? And every one of our sites have pages and links indexed in Google, Yahoo, and Bing, okay? None of our sites are interlinked, and every single solitary site that comes into our system is edited, meaning we're going to look at the site, we're going to look at the content, because our system doesn't point backlinks to bad neighborhoods. That weakens the platform that you're getting links from, okay? All the posts that you're going to make, every link you're going to get from us is permanent, all right? The links, like we said before, they're all in anchor text, okay? They're all high quality in topic relevant copy. Now, your 200 unique posts per domain will be posted randomly throughout the month. Okay? You're not going to get 20 today, 30 tomorrow, 50 the third day, and nothing the rest of the month. We're going to break it up. It's not even. Some days you'll get 0. Some days you'll get 10. Some days you'll get 5. Some days you get 4. But it'll total up to approximately 200 plus a month. Okay? We don't want a set number, and we don't want a set number on a daily basis. So we randomize it. What we do is we rotate the anchors. And when you watch the demo, you're able to give certain keywords primary anchor text position, which means that they're going to get a higher volume of the backlinks. And you do that for your more competitive keywords. And then you have your secondaries. And when you look at the demo, it explains it in detail. And it's much better when you see the interface and how it's set up. Okay? But it's a great way to randomize the anchor text. So that way you're not getting all your links at one time. You're getting your anchor text spread out over time. So everything remains and looks natural. Okay? Our system has 100% full tracking in Google and Yahoo. And what we do is we track all the anchor text that you put into the interface plus an additional 30 keywords. All right? And we track them in Google and Yahoo. And these are updated every 5 days automatically. You don't have to do anything. It automatically updates every 5 days. Now, in addition to giving you the ranking, we also give you the starting rank that you got when you came into the system on day 1, your current rank today, your cost per click if you were to pay for that keyword so you can see the type of keyword that you're competing for, the competition, the monthly search volume, and then in addition to that, we graph the ranking history from the day you start in the system. And what's really nice about that graphing history is you can see the fluctuations. You can see that they fall out of the search engines from time to time. Now, the tracking also has the ability, if you want to go in and update it within that 5 days, you can go ahead and do that. All right, but if you don't touch it, it'll automatically do it every 5 days. And the reason we put the tracking in is because in our interface, you can go in and adjust. So if you see, for argument's sake, that one keyword on a big volume went from, let's say, 150 to 12, you're right on the cusp. You might want to make an adjustment, and there's a way to do it in our system so that you can give more link love to that particular keyword because you're right on the cusp of a big traffic volume. All right? So knowing where you are in the rankings is just as important as getting the links. Okay? Because what you're able to do with our interface is to allocate your 1,000 links to not only the right domains, but the pages within those domains, and then for the right anchor text. And by having this full tracking system, you're able to get every last benefit you can from your 1,000 backlinks. Okay? It's an efficient, fully automated linking system. Now let's talk hosting. With the advent of SEO hosting, you now have the ability to get pretty much unlimited non-contiguous C blocks. Okay, what we're talking about with contiguous is side by side. Our system is set up, we call it the Brooklyn to Bangkok theory. You know, we made up a nice term for it, but basically our hosting is all over the world on non-contiguous C blocks. We have a full training. We go in and we walk through how to get started and then all of the best practices that our clients have been using. Like I said, we've given out over 10 million backlinks over the last 4 years, and we've done this in every single solitary market you can imagine, in every industry you can imagine. So you tend to learn some tips and some tricks, and we've built it into the system, and we show you in video how to do all of this. All right. In addition, we have training videos. I don't want to go into the details of the additional videos because, quite frankly, I don't want you to sign up for the bonus. All right, but I will tell you that there are videos, and we do add new ones all the time. All right, but I don't want that to be the reason. I always dislike when I see, these huge lists of bonuses. If you don't think this system is worth the price, okay, for the 1,000 one-way anchor text backlinks each and every month, then we're not the system for you. All right, so I just want you to know we have it, but I'm not going to go into the details. But they're good, I can tell you that. All right, customer service. I want you to understand something. 4 years we've been doing this. This isn't something that we're going to abandon anytime soon. We have full-time customer service. There's an email help desk. We typically answer within 12 hours. Okay, I can tell you that you're definitely going to get a response within 24. We check it 7 days a week. Okay, there are FAQ videos if circumstances pop up. If there's a similar question that comes up on a regular basis, we go in and we add a video so that you can see the answer. We go into depth. All right. If you have a question, you can email us with your phone number because we do pick up the phone and call. Okay. You're our customer. We want you to be with us for a long time. We're very, very happy to take the time it takes to answer it because you know what? If you're able to get what you need from this linking system, we're going to have you as a client for a long time. All right? So I just want you to know when people say customer service, they're paying lip service maybe. That's not who we are. All right? We have an email help desk, and if you include your phone number and ask for a phone call, we personally pick up the phone and call. Okay? Now, I want to just kind of go in a little side direction. There's a link on this page called Warning. Now, I want you to go in and I want you to read it. All right? It's not some big slick takeaway. We want you to be absolutely sure about what this service is, how this is viewed by the search engines, and whether or not this is for you. So do me a favor, before you sign up, go in and take a look at the warning and just make sure that this is the right service for you. Okay? And if it's not, what you're going to see in that warning is, there's no limited time. You don't have to sign up today. Yes, we want you to, but if this isn't for you, then don't do it. We're not raising the price anytime soon. We don't plan to. So if you need to take some time, by all means, take some time. We don't want anybody having to borrow money or going into debt to use this service. Okay, so do me a favor, go in and read the warning and make sure that Linx Boss is for you. I'm sure that it is. I'm sure that you're going to get tremendous, value out of it. But for example, we go into if you have sites that have bad content, if you have sites that have no conversion. Okay, when we talk about things, it's kind of odd to put that on a page where we're asking you to sign up, but it's just better for the system, and it's quite frankly better for you if this isn't for you to not get involved from day one. All right? So do me a favor, take the time and read the warning page. And I think if, it talks to you, you should follow the advice and not sign up.